This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in this product, check out the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about fondant rolling mats. And there's a variety of them made by a variety of different brands, and they all have some different and unique features. And this is one we've had for a while, and it's held up really well, and it's made by Wilton. So it's just a lightweight plastic mat. And if you're just starting to work with fondant, it can make it a little easier. One, you have sizing on the sides to help you measure your piece of fondant, and so that you know if you've rolled it large enough and it'll go over the cake. Second, it provides a backing that makes flipping that piece of fondant easier because it's got a little support. So if you're still a little unsure or unsteady when you're handling larger pieces of fondant to cover a cake, it can make that job just a little bit easier. They're relatively easy to clean, so just warm soapy water, wash it really well before and after use, and dry it off, and you're ready to go. If it's not sticking to the surface that you're rolling on, you can always put just a little bit of water on the back, and that'll make it adhere to the surface you're rolling on. And while we have really great stainless steel tables, that means that we can roll directly on our tables, most people, especially if you're working at home, don't, which means especially if you're using a dark color of fondant like red or black, you might end up staining your countertops. So these mats, even if you don't need it for rolling, can really be a time saver in cleaning up afterwards because all the mess happens on here. You can take it to the sink and wash it really easily. A lot of them also come with concentric circle guides that can help you roll smaller pieces of fondant to make sure that it's large enough that you're covering. But also this one acts as a placement guide. So you can use your decorations that you're planning on using and arrange them on these various concentric circles and the various sides of cakes to make sure that you have enough before you actually go and apply them to the cake. So they can help you with the planning process of your cakes as well as with the rolling and application of fondant. So if you're just starting to work with fondant, they can be a good buy for a lot of reasons, and they're easy to take care of and care for. I've had this one for probably over a decade, and primarily I use it when I'm teaching classes on site because I don't necessarily know what surface I'll be working on. So I always take this so I have a good surface to roll on no matter what I'm working with. So if you're interested, they're a really good buy if you're starting to work with fondant. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about the materials and equipment we use in cake decorating or some fun inspirational ideas about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to check out what yearly membership to our school entails and you want more information, go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com. And if you're interested in this product, check out the links in the description.